The Smurley Silverware Organizer is a must-have addition to any household that values organization and practicality. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this kitchen drawer organizer is designed to efficiently store various hardware tools and utensils while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of the Smurley Silverware Organizer is its lightweight and expandable design. The natural bamboo wood material not only gives the organizer a sleek and polished look, but also ensures its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Measuring at 17.5 inches in depth, 20 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, this rectangular-shaped organizer provides ample space to neatly store your silverware and other kitchen essentials. The expandable feature allows you to adjust the size according to your drawer's dimensions, providing a customized storage solution, whether you are looking to declutter your kitchen space or simply want to keep your utensils organized.
Drawing upon over a decade of experience in product marketing, I present a detailed review of the Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer, designed for kitchen drawers. Crafted by the esteemed brand Joseph, this utensil organizer is both stylish and functional, catering to a broad audience. The utensil organizer boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a non-slip bottom to ensure stability within the drawer. The brushed finish adds a touch of sophistication, complementing various kitchen aesthetics. With dimensions measuring 15.5 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 2.2 inches in height, this organizer offers ample space to accommodate a capacity of up to 1 kilogram of utensils. Constructed from high-quality plastic, the Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer ensures durability and longevity. Its rectangular shape allows for efficient use of drawer space while keeping utensils neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you are cooking,
the Rubbermaid No-Slip Large Silverware Tray Organizer is an essential addition to any kitchen. Designed with a focus on functionality and organization, this product stands out for its quality construction and practical features. Made from durable plastic materials, this organizer comes in a sleek black color that complements any kitchen decor. One of the key highlights of this tray organizer is its no-slip feature, which ensures that your utensils stay securely in place, preventing any unwanted movements or spills. The rectangular shape of the organizer allows for efficient use of space, fitting neatly into standard kitchen drawers. Measuring at 11.75 inches in depth, 15 inches in width, and 1.75 inches in height, this Rubbermaid organizer offers ample space to store your silverware efficiently. The product comes in a single-count unit packaged in standard packaging. Overall, the Rubbermaid No-Slip Large Silverware Tray Organizer.
The Umaleaf Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer is a must-have item for anyone looking to declutter their kitchen drawers efficiently. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, this organizer boasts a sleek, natural finish that complements any kitchen decor. Measuring at 17 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height, this rectangular tray provides ample space for storing and organizing your silverware, flatware, and utensils. The polished finish adds a touch of sophistication to your drawers, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. What sets this organizer apart is its special non-slip feature, thanks to the premium anti-skid silicone feet that keep the tray securely in place. This ensures that your utensils stay put and remain neatly arranged at all times, preventing any unwanted movement or sliding within the drawer. In terms of durability, the Umaleaf Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer excels, thanks to its sturdy construction and high-quality bamboo material.
The Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer for Kitchen Drawers offers a practical solution for organizing your silverware effectively. Crafted from durable plastic, this utensil organizer is specifically designed for kitchen use. The space-saving design of the organizer ensures efficient utilization of drawer space, while the non-slip feature keeps your utensils securely in place. The sleek gray color and brushed finish of this organizer add a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. With dimensions of 4.33 inches in depth, 2.25 inches in width, and 15.6 inches in height, this rectangular-shaped organizer fits conveniently into most standard kitchen drawers. The Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer is meticulously crafted by the reputable brand Joseph, known for creating innovative and functional kitchen solutions.
Each unit is carefully packaged in standard packaging to ensure product integrity during transport. This utensil organizer is ideal.